Hey everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper, doing just a quick video. One thing we do is called one-day wallpaper. So one-day wallpaper is something we kind of thought of. It woke me up in the middle of the night. Kind of a simple and easy program. You can sign up right away. You have one room, dining room, living room, powder room. One-day wallpaper is perfect. $589. It covers the paste. It covers taking the wall, sanding it, making it smooth, putting primer on the wall. Sometimes, depending on the paper, if like a black paper, there may be an extra charge for a different type of primer, because you may have to prime it with a black primer and then let it sit overnight. If you're putting wallpaper up, you want to make sure you have a solid uniform color. That's why we want to prime it first. Several different primers we use. Guard is number one. There's Ultra Prime. The one we like the most is Draw Tight. Ultra Prime, Draw Tight are white pigmented, so you got a nice white finish all the way around everything. So whatever paper you have, you're not going to see any other colors transferring through the paper. If it's a semi-transparent, sometimes dark colors will come through. But it covers the adhesive that we're using. We're sanding the walls, minor patches. So if you had some towel racks or whatever you're replacing, we'll go ahead and fix those before we put wallpaper up, and then the installation of the wallpaper itself. So that's kind of what a one-day wallpaper covers. We hope we can help you with the space you're in with wallpaper for your room. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.